It's and so you naturally do that. So when you get a lightsaber, especially like a real lightsaber, and you're a real Jedi, you make the noise. And I know you have struggled with it as well. So you feel quite as bad. But yeah, there was a couple of times when George would come over to me and say, like, Hayden, I can see you're making the sound effects. It's moving. You can't have that. We'll add the sound effects in after.